Welcome guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a software from your computer. The first method is just to click on Windows and then type in control panel, search it, click on it, then go to install program, search for the software you want to install. Like this one, click install, and then you'll have a dialog that will ask you to confirm if you want to really install your software. Just click yes and wait. The second method is just going to click on Windows, search for the software you want to install, right click on it, and then click install, confirm, and then the software will be installed. The third method is just click on Windows I, then install apps, search for the app you want to install, printer connection, and then click install. As you can see, the fourth method is just typing Windows R, click Windows R, and then type control, click OK, and then look for the software and click restore, install, and click install.